Hey everybody, Joey Image here with another unboxing video for you. If you saw my video from yesterday, you know I'm sick. I've got a fever, 101 degrees, so please excuse my voice. Today I've got yet another unboxing for you right here, and this is, I don't know. So that's why I'm calling this video a mystery unboxing. I have this habit of ordering stuff from maybe Amazon or Geek or whatever, or pre-ordering stuff from GameStop or Best Buy, and then when it shows up, I don't know. I don't remember that I ordered it. For example, I got a book about a week and a half ago that I ordered in July that just showed up. It just released a couple weeks ago. I got it on release day, and when it showed up, I had forgotten that I even ordered it, because again, I ordered it in July, which is well, it was about 2.5 months before it actually arrived. So by that time, I had long forgotten I even ordered it. So I'm assuming this is something somewhat of the same. The reason why I don't really know what this is because the only thing listed in the return address is fulfillment center, and that doesn't really help me with much. I think Amazon calls their warehouses fulfillment centers, but I didn't order anything from Amazon that has not already shown up, so I don't know what this is. So I'm going to open it right now, and we are going to find out together. All right, I've got this open. Oh my God, I know what this is. Whoa, look at this box full of juicy goodness. Look at that. Wow, this is, let me take this out of the plastic for you. Wow. This is the brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Look at that. I did not know gimbal-like stabilization. Wow. This is a gift from a family member, my sister, who I did not really know this was showing up. Didn't know when this was coming. This is, I'm like in shock right now. Whole bunch of extra goodies in here as well that come along with it. I'm assuming this, wow, geez, there's a ton of stuff in here. I'm assuming this is some sort of bundle pack. 1 year extended warranty card from CPS, Consumer Priority Service. So there's a 1 year extended warranty card. I don't know what I need the card for, or what this is really all about. I've never really seen a card like that before. Just, you know, you sign up for the warranty through the website and you're good to go. But I guess I'll have to check this out. I'll have to look into that. What else? 64 gig SD card right there, which I just bought 128 gig on Amazon a couple weeks ago. They were on sale for $25. It was beautiful. A screen cleaning kit. I've never seen this before. I also have a Hero 6 Black, or I should say I also have a Hero 6 Black that, I don't know, I never saw one of these before. It's just basically a screen cleaning kit. Includes, you can see right there, I don't know if this will focus. Please focus, come on, buddy. Includes lens cleaning solution, blower brush, microfiber cloth, lens tissue paper, and cotton swabs, 5 pieces. Man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Thank you. All right, next item in the box, I feel like I'm doing an actual unboxing, is, I don't know, it's a CH-GP5. I'm assuming this is a second battery? I mean, I don't really know. It doesn't have a... What the hell is this thing? Excuse me. Well, it's got a micro USB cable. Oh, it's a triple battery charger. So I can charge the battery from this, the battery from the 6 if I want, and I could get another battery and charge that as well. Guys, this is not an act. I legitimately did not know what was in this box. Next item. Oh, what do you call these deals? Is this a gimbal stabilizer thingy? Oh, it's a tripod. I think I think they're called Gorilla Pod. There's the GoPro clip right there. I think these are like the Gorilla kind ones. They're bendy. They're stretchy. They're bendy. This has got a huge stabilizer on it. This is a really sweet looking tripod for a camera of this tiny little size. All right. What else? We got a whole bunch of other stuff in here. Just a random GoPro clip right there that obviously clips onto all your accessories. Just one random clip in there. Oop, just fell. Next item. Oh, an extra battery. Look at that. Extra battery made with premium Japanese cells. So this is a Halcyon battery, which is the same. I'll show you the package right there. The same brand as the extra charger. Or I should say the same brand as the charger. Get this thing out. Yep, there we go. Another little battery right there. Now I've got 3 batteries. The one that's in the 6, the one that's in the new 7, obviously, and this spare. And a triple charger. This is amazing. I got to clean up all this mess right here because I don't even know. I don't know what to do. Next item. Oh, an extra battery. This is, excuse me. This is amazing. I think this sister really loves me. Yep, there we go. Another battery. Made with premium Japanese cells. Look at that. Now my dilemma is I have 4 batteries and only a triple battery charger. But I will not have all 3 of them. All 4, you know what I mean. All right, what is this? High speed, high capacity, secure digital, micro secure digital reader writer. I don't even know what this is really. Easy plug and play, right? Oh, this might be an adapter for like an SD card. So the Hero 6 Black came with an adapter. Yeah, it is. There we go. USB adapter right there, obviously. And then the other end is where you put the card in. It takes a micro SD or the large. I don't know what the large one is called. Just an SD card, I guess, with the adapter. Very cool. The other the Hero 6 came with this. Pretty sweet. And the final thing in there is the microfiber, Jesus Christmas, microfiber cleaning cloth, which is what I meant to say in the first place. So, where's my 6? My 6 is right here, and the 7 in black is right here. So there we go. This is amazingly awesome. Now that I know what this is, I don't know if I'm gonna actually put the words mystery unboxing in the title of this video. I think if I put GoPro, it'll get a lot more views, but we'll see. Guys, one last look. Here we go. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for checking out my video and this God, I don't even know what you call it. I don't want to say mystery unboxing because now I know what it is, but this was a mystery. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Check me out on Twitter at JoeyImage, Facebook.com/RealJoeyImage, and the most important thing on my agenda lately has been Twitch, twitch.tv/JoeyImage. Man, this is really cool. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.